Hello lovelies, welcome back. What shall I achieve this plantain for? Yeah, I have one ripe plantain. I'll just mash it and mash it until it is very creamy like this. I added 500 grams of seed flour. I added 1 tablespoon yeast, pinch of salt, 1 full spoon of honey. So I'll just mix and mix and mix. So here I'll be adding water, warm water, bit by bit, until I get this consistency that I want. For those of you always coming to watch me, like my videos, comment on my videos, share my videos, I really appreciate your love and support. Keep sharing, keep commenting, and keep liking. So now I will cover and allow it to double in size. So here is it, rested for 1 hour 30 minutes. So I'll just give it a good mix, and now I will be cutting it inside my oil. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and be a member of this family. Feel free to also check my videos out that you might find helpful. Share this video for me, guys. So I will just cut and allow it to cook on 0 to 7 minutes on a medium heat. I'll flip it over and allow it to cook until it is brown. So here is ready. I'll take it out of the oil. This recipe came out, guys, so tasty, so nice. Look at how nice and beautiful it is. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Follow for more amazing videos. Thank you, guys. Bye. This is all I got. Bye.